Hello everyone, I'm Kim Wilkinson of Empowered Life. Today I am starting a 6-week challenge and I want to share the journey here with you on YouTube. Here's the thing. Let me tell you first of all how this started. I had a Facebook memory pop up yesterday of a video that I shared a few years ago. Now this video is one of Sadhguru's, who is someone I have been a fan of and followed for a lot of years. I love his teaching. He's brilliant. As of late, I have been feeling really tired. I've had a lot more pain and inflammation in my body, and I'm tired of feeling this way. And I don't know how you are all feeling these days, but I feel like COVID is really adding a lot. Health is a really important thing right now. It always is, but maybe more so now than ever. And just so that you can understand a little bit more, I'm including the link to his video that created this whole idea for me, as well as a second video that talks about food, and the link to this ebook of his, Food Body, which has got some great information. Basically, what he's saying in these videos and with this book is that if we change how we eat, when we eat, what we eat, we can actually rid our bodies of 50% of the ailments, the pains, the discomforts, the disease that we are experiencing. And I believe that. Probably, I think it was almost 7 years ago now, the first time I went to Thailand for a yoga teacher training, I pretty much ate this way for 4 weeks and I felt phenomenal. So when this memory popped up yesterday, I thought, okay, here's my sign, right? I'm gonna do this. And better yet, I'm gonna do it on YouTube because maybe it'll inspire some other people and it'll hold me accountable to actually follow through. So my plan is to do weekly updates, to share all of my progress, my struggles, everything. Now, my biggest reason for doing this, again, is to have more energy and to rid my body of the pain and inflammation that I'm experiencing. I'm not changing my level of activity. I'm also hoping I'll sleep a bit better. That's kind of hit and miss these days. So I'm hoping that you will follow me, click subscribe, follow, or maybe even join me on this. So basically, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm really gonna pay attention to my water. In one of the videos, if you watch them, you'll see he talks about we can actually take too much water and that can be damaging. So I'm gonna really pay attention to that. I'm gonna change the times and the frequency that I eat. So I am going to eat twice a day. And my meal times are gonna be between 9 and 11 for my first meal, and then somewhere probably between 5 and 7 for my second meal. Nothing in between. I'm not giving up coffee. He actually says you don't have to give it up. Obviously, the less coffee we can drink, the better, but as my husband will tell you, I need my 1.5 to 2 cups of coffee when I wake up in the morning. So I'm not giving that up. I'm going to keep that. But I'm going to change everything else when I eat and what I eat. I have been eating a plant-based diet for about 2 or 3 years, but probably more cooked than raw. And I'm going to just change things up a little bit. So I am going to have more raw foods and just change my variety a little bit. Now I'm going to create a Facebook group as well, where if you really want to find more detail of this journey, what I'm eating, how much, recipes, things like that, the link to join the group is in the description of this video, so join me there. Maybe you even want to do this with me. We can support each other. We can do this as a team or a group and see the results. Now, before doing this video this morning, I jumped on the scale. Weight is not something that I pay attention to. It's not a concern for me. I don't feel like I'm doing this to lose weight. But I got on the scale this morning, so my starting weight is 124. And that's actually, I think, 3 or 4 pounds higher than the last time I checked a few weeks ago. But like I said, it's not a big deal for me. I don't really pay attention to weight. It's more about how I feel. But I thought I'm going to start with that just to see. I'm going to record my energy levels each day, how I feel emotionally, how I slept, so that I can see as time goes on and as I make these changes with my eating, what what I'm noticing. So if this sounds like something you'd like to learn more about or see what happens, click subscribe, follow me, and join the Facebook group. Or if you think, you know what, I'm tired of feeling like crap too, or I want to feel better, join me. I will share everything that I have that started me on this process and everything along the way, including, like I said, recipes, tips, and tricks. Otherwise, wish me luck. I know this is going to be rewarding. I'm sure some days it's going to be very challenging, but I'm committing right now in front of you watching this to doing this. So thank you for holding me accountable. Check in on me, make sure I'm doing the work, motivate me, and hopefully the results will be good and that you might try this yourself someday. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.